Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Umpumelelo confirms himself that Vuyokazi is actually the one who actually deleted the comments that him and Uterelo posted on her post. Now, when Vuyokazi posted her video, Uterelo posted a congratulations message. She said, "Congratulations, Vuyokazi, on your new journey. We wish you the best. I wish you the best at the heart today." I don't know if that was genuine or not. All I know is that maybe there was a part of Ukel that was happy because remember Utireno said that if Vuyokazi comes back into Mpumeleno's life, if they revive their relationship, she is out. So yes, she sent her congratulations message, and Mpumelelo right underneath that comment goes and comments also same congratulation ukuthi kwaze wawuhle, something like that. And people actually thought that Utirelo and Umpumelelo are the ones who later deleted it. Some people saying that it was Utirelo using both phones to comment. She commented using Usbindi's phone and using her phone. My thing is, why did even Usbindi comment underneath Utirelo's comments? Why didn't he leave his own comment? But anyway, Usbindi confirms that Vuyokazi is the one who actually deleted the comments. Now, I don't know. Maybe she just felt like, listen, I don't want no drama. Like, why you guys trying to act as if you guys are happy for me? Or I don't know what the reason is. But anyway, guys, it is her video, it is her post, and I guess she's the one who gets to decide what comments get to stay and what comments get to go. But I think that kind of confirms with you there's no good vibes that is going on there, because I don't think she would have deleted those comments if there was good vibes between the three of them. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.